Okay guys, this is the dry result. I really love how the colors have mixed, and you can see all of them. The red color, the gold, the yellow color, the green also. I really love it. I love this painting. When I'm using lot of colors for the painting, that's what I want to see. I want to see all of them when I'm using when I'm using them, and I want to see how they will mixed. And yeah, I like how this painting turned out. I hope you can see it also. This part is very interesting because you can see the green color, and between this green, it's this gold have found its place, and yeah, it's really interesting. Here also, between all of the colors, you can see also there is a gold color. Okay, I'm going to show you now the whole painting. Write me down in the comments if you like it. What do you think about it? Here also you can see that it has the white, it has these stars in it. And yeah, I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.